Welcome back to another video. Today we have a new tool. This is the Ryobi die grinder. This is a right angle die grinder, 1/4 inch. Big shout out to my man Stan the Man for helping out the channel, pointing these deals and new tools out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. This is the way YouTubers are platform by subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, so we got 18 volt 1 plus HP compact brushless 1/4 inch right angle die grinder. It says model number PSBDG01. You got up to 2 times more power than pneumatic 4-mode speed control, up to 22,000 RPM. So it looks like it does have like a paddle switch. It looks very compact, as you guys know. Ryobi is trying to make their tools smaller. It seems like it does look like a drill, so it doesn't look like a regular die grinder, but it is a die grinder, and it does have, seems like it does have a work light at the bottom, and it does have the die grinder part instead of the collet that you would have on an impact driver. All right, so we got, it says features. You got a brushless motor. You got up to 2 times more power than pneumatic provided brushless motor, combines advanced electronics and batteries. 3-year, 225 products. All right, let's see what else we got down here. We got specifications. We got 1/4 inch collet size. We got speed modes. 1, 10,000 RPM. 2, 15,000 RPM. You got 3, 20,000 RPM. You got 4, 22,000 RPM. And obviously up to 22,000 RPM max. You got a 3-year limited warranty. It says includes pretty much the tool by itself. It's a bare tool. You got let's see what else we have. Seems like we do have an instruction manual already in the page in the system here. And if you guys didn't know, these are the newer tools that got released. Well, actually they were announced, not actually got released, because I haven't seen them at the stores, but they did get announced. And Standard Man did point it out that this tool, it is going to get released around August. So just thought I'd let you know.